Good evening. You're watching the news at 6:30. I'm Suesha Sound. Joining you on Republic Reporter, we are straight away cutting across to some breaking news coming in this edition, as we are learning from our sources in the army, having confirmed that Chinese troops have disengaged at patrolling point 15. Confirming that disengagement is complete at patrol point 15 and troops are thinning out at Finger 4, that is at Pangong So. Tejinder Singh Sodhi, our Jammu Bureau Chief, is picking up more source-based information on the same. Tejinder, the process has been underway, but to say that the disengagement is now complete at patrolling point 15, what more are you picking up?
See, Suesha, this is the big breaking that we are breaking here on Republic TV, that army sources have confirmed to Republic after proper verification on the ground that disengagement at patrol point 15, that is Hot Spring area in the on the line of actual control, is complete. Yes, a disengagement at patrol point 15, that is Hot Spring, is complete, and both the sides they have withdrawn by 2 kilometers. So the People's Liberation Army has withdrawn from the patrol point 15, the Hot Spring area, by 2 kilometers. What the sources are telling us, that disengagement at patrol point 17, that is Gogra, it will be completed in a day or two, though the process has already started at patrol point 17 Gogra, and the disengagement will be completed in a day or two. This is after confirmation, the ground confirmation, the verification which has been done by the army. The army sources have confirmed this to Republic, that the disengagement process which was started after the two sides they held military level talks. But we have also been told that the thinning of troops at the Finger 4, that is on the Pangong So Lake, is happening. So the army has also, the Indian Army has noticed the thinning of the withdrawal of the structures which the Chinese side had built. Though those structures have been removed, and the number of troops at Pangong's Finger 4 have also thinned. So the number of troops have reduced. So clearly a big breakthrough coming at the standoff point at the line of actual control between the Indian Army and the Chinese Army. We have this confirmation that disengagement process at patrol point 15, that is Hot Spring, it's complete. The Chinese Army, they have moved back by 2 kilometers. They have moved back to their own side and 2 kilometers. So there is a complete disengagement at patrol point 15. Disengagement at patrol point 17, that is Gogra, it will be completed in a day or two, and there is a gradual thinning out of troops at Finger 4, that is Pangong Lake. So clearly a big breakthrough after, just 2 days ago the National Security Advisor Ajit Doval had a 2-hour long video call with the Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi. Yes, Suesha.
Very true, Tejinder, and one thing also that our forces are very clear about, that the vigil must stay. We cannot afford to let our guard down. So also wanting to understand from you in terms of our troop deployment and our air forces, watching the airspace along the line of actual control, does it still remain the same?
See, Suesha, the Indian Armed Forces, they are not going to lower their guard at the line of actual control, given the fact that they know the true nature of China. We saw this happening when on June 5th there were Corps Commander level talks that were held, and after that we saw a Chinese side, they coming back, they once again pitching their tent at the very same place in the Galwan Valley, which led to the violence which was witnessed on June 15th, in which 20 of our brave heart, they attained martyrdom, and more than 43 Chinese soldiers, including several officers, they were killed. So China cannot be trusted. So though the Indian Army's assets, ground assets, air assets, they will continue to be in operational preparedness. They will be readily available to thwart any any mischievous attempt by the adversary, the Indian Army will not lower its guard, though they will abide by all the agreements. Recently, the Corps Commander level meeting that was held, several decisions were taken so as to make sure that peace and tranquility is restored on the line of actual control, because both the sides, they have signed several such agreements which ensure that there is a peace and tranquility on the line of actual control. And also there is a need that though there are difference of perception about the line of actual control, but that differences should not take the form of dispute. So clearly, but on the other hand, you know, the Indian Armed Forces are not going to lower their guard at the line of actual control. Yes, Suesha.
Absolutely. Tejinder, on that note, I'd like to thank you for joining us.